cotton candy Dubai chocolate. If you like Dubai chocolate, you try this one. You've got nothing to lose. If you like it, you love it, you get some more. Simple. If you don't like it. But Dubai chocolate's very popular at the moment. Number one brand. So let's open it up. Let's see. Yes, let's see what this one looks like. Can you get in there? Get in there. There we go. Cotton candy flavoured Dubai chocolate. Oh, look at that, pinky. Instead of normal gold, what I had last time. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my days, look at this. And there we go, guys. Look at this. Full of